Hello everyone. Welcome to English Listening. Don't forget to subscribe to improve your English now. Today I want to tell you about a place I want to visit. Paris is one of the most famous and beautiful cities in the world. Many people call it the City of Love and the City of Lights because it has a romantic atmosphere and many bright lights at night. A place I want to visit, Paris. There are many beautiful places in the world, but the place I want to visit the most is Paris, the capital of France. Paris is one of the most famous and beautiful cities in the world. Many people call it the City of Love and the City of Lights because it has a romantic atmosphere and many bright lights at night. I have seen many pictures and videos of Paris, and I dream of visiting this amazing city one day. Why I want to visit Paris? I want to visit Paris because it is a city full of history, culture, and beauty. It has famous landmarks, beautiful streets, delicious food, and interesting museums. Many people say Paris is one of the most wonderful cities in the world, and I want to see it with my own eyes. Paris is also known as a fashion and art capital. Many famous artists, writers, and designers have lived in Paris. The city has a unique style and charm that makes it special. I think visiting Paris will be an unforgettable experience. Famous places I want to see. Paris has many famous places to visit. Here are some of the places I want to see. One, Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower is the most famous landmark in Paris. It is a tall iron tower that stands in the middle of the city. Many tourists visit the Eiffel Tower to take pictures and enjoy the beautiful view from the top. I want to go to the top of the Eiffel Tower and see the whole city from above. I also want to see the tower at night when it lights up and sparkles. 2. Louvre Museum. The Louvre Museum is the most famous museum in the world. It has thousands of beautiful paintings and sculptures. The most famous painting in the Louvre is the Mona Lisa, painted by Leonardo da Vinci. I love art, so I really want to visit the Louvre and see the Mona Lisa and other famous artworks. 3. Notre Dame Cathedral. Notre Dame is a beautiful old church in Paris. It has tall towers and colorful stained glass windows. It is one of the most famous churches in the world, and it has a long history. I want to visit Notre Dame and see its amazing architecture. 4. Champs-Élysées and Arc de Triomphe. The Champs-Élysées is a very famous street in Paris. It has many shops, cafes, and theaters. At the end of this street is the Arc de Triomphe, a big monument that honors soldiers. I want to walk along the Champs-Élysées, go shopping, and take pictures near the Arc de Triomphe. 5. Palace of Versailles. The Palace of Versailles is a beautiful royal palace outside of Paris. It was the home of King Louis XIV. The palace has large gardens, golden decorations, and beautiful rooms. I want to visit Versailles and see the Hall of Mirrors, a room with many mirrors and chandeliers. 6. Seine River Cruise. The Seine River runs through Paris, and many tourists take a boat cruise to see the city from the water. I want to take a river cruise at night to see the beautiful lights of Paris. 7. Montmartre and Sacré-Cœur. Montmartre is a famous area in Paris where many artists live and work. It has small streets, cafes, and art shops. The Sacré-Cœur Basilica is a beautiful white church on top of a hill in Montmartre. I want to visit Montmartre to see street artists and enjoy the amazing view from Sacré-Cœur. The food in Paris. Paris is famous for its delicious food. I want to try many French dishes, such as croissants, soft, buttery pastries that are perfect for breakfast. Baguette, a long, crispy bread that French people eat every day. Macarons, small, colorful, sweet cookies with different flavors. Crepes, thin pancakes filled with chocolate, fruit, or cheese. French cheese. France has many types of cheese, and I want to try some of them. Escargots, snails cooked with butter and garlic. This is a special French dish. Paris has many cafes and bakeries where people sit outside and enjoy their food. I want to sit in a small Parisian cafe, drink coffee, and eat a fresh croissant. Shopping in Paris. Paris is one of the best cities for shopping. There are many big stores and small boutique shops. Some of the best places for shopping are Galeries Lafayette, a famous shopping mall with beautiful decorations. Champs-Élysées, a street with many luxury fashion brands. Le Marais, a trendy area with small, stylish shops. Flea markets, markets where people sell vintage and antique items. I want to buy some perfume, clothes, and souvenirs from Paris to remember my trip. Meeting people in Paris. Paris is a city with people from all over the world. I want to meet new people, talk to them, and learn more about their culture. I also want to practice speaking French. I know some simple French words like Bonjour, hello, merci, thank you, comment cavier, how are you, où est la tour Eiffel? Where is the Eiffel Tower? Speaking French in Paris will be fun and exciting. How I plan to visit Paris. Visiting Paris is my dream, and I hope to make it come true. To visit Paris, I need to 1. Save money. Traveling to Paris is expensive, so I need to save money. 2. Get a visa and passport. I need to check if I need a visa to travel to France. 3. Plan my trip. I will make a list of all the places I want to visit. 4. Book a flight and hotel. I need to find a good place to stay. 5. Learn about Paris. I will read travel guides and watch videos to prepare. My dream of visiting Paris. Visiting Paris will be a dream come true for me. I want to explore the city, see the famous places, eat delicious food, meet new people, and take many pictures. Paris is a city full of romance, history, and culture. It is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. I hope that one day I will be able to visit this amazing place and have the best experience of my life. Until then, I will keep dreaming and preparing for my future trip to Paris. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe for more.